Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 30 Pro and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the personalization. Now let's scroll down just a little bit to find this wallpaper section, and as you can see here we've got 4 different albums from which you can choose the wallpaper from. Here we've got some live wallpapers, which are basically animated ones, the static wallpapers, which are kind of regular options to choose from, the online wallpapers from which you will be able to download some cool options. You will have to simply sign in and create the account, and your own gallery, so you can set your own photo as a wallpaper. But let me pick something from the static wallpapers. Let's simply tap on it, and as you can see here we've got pretty options from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do in order to check the preview is to tap on the wallpaper. So let me pick, let me check which one we've got. We've got this light option, so let me pick this darker one. So as I said, let's simply tap on it and you will be able to see it on the full screen. Then let's tap on set, and now you can decide where you want to set it. So you can set it on the home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will pick both options. So let me tap on it. Now we can go back, and as you can see the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.